how to set the phone to lock the screen immediately with a passcode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Face ID and Passcode. Next, enter the current passcode. Then we scroll down. And in here, tap on Require Passcode. Now, if immediately is not selected, then you can select immediately. If you select immediately, then as soon as you press on the lock button or the side button here, your phone will lock straight away and you are required to put in a passcode to get access to your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.